Ever wondered why your investments aren't multiplying like the rabbits in your backyard? Well, you just might be making some classic blunders without even realizing it. Yes, you heard it right. Your investments might be stuck in quicksand while you're busy counting chickens before they hatch. But don't worry, all is not lost. We've got the lifeline you need. So buckle up, folks. We're about to dive into the top 5 shocking investing mistakes you're probably making right now. Mistake number 1, treating the stock market like your personal casino. Now, we've all been there, right? We see those flashy Wall Street movies and suddenly we think we're the next Gordon Gekko. But let's get real, folks. The stock market isn't some big roulette wheel where you can place your bets and hope for the best. It's more like a chess game, requiring strategy, patience, and a good understanding of the game. If you go in blind, tossing your hard-earned money at any stock that looks promising, you're setting yourself up for a fall. It's like betting on a horse because you like its name, not because it's a good runner. And let's be honest, not many of us can afford to lose our shirts in this game. So, unless you're a fan of living on ramen noodles and tap water, I suggest you leave the gambling to the folks in Vegas. So remember, the stock market isn't a slot machine, and if you treat it like one, you'll end up just as broke as if you'd spent all your money on a Las Vegas trip. Moving on to mistake number 2, falling in love with a stock. Now I get it, it's easy to become smitten with a stock that's been good to you. It's like that sweet, charming person who always remembers your birthday and never forgets to text back. But here's the thing, folks. Stocks are not people. They don't have feelings, they don't care about you, and they certainly won't bring you flowers on Valentine's Day. So when you find yourself daydreaming about that one stock, snapping out of it is crucial. Becoming emotionally attached to a stock can cloud your judgment faster than fog rolling in on a chilly San Francisco morning. It might lead you to hold on to it longer than you should, ignoring clear signs that it's time to sell. Remember, investing is not about loyalty. It's about making smart, rational decisions. So keep your heart out of your portfolio. It's not a romantic comedy, it's a financial plan. Mistake number 3, not diversifying your portfolio. Imagine going to a buffet, but only filling your plate with mashed potatoes. Sure, they're delicious, but you're missing out on the grilled chicken, the fresh salad, and the chocolate cake. In the same way, if you're only investing in one type of asset, you're missing out on the potential benefits of others. Moving on to mistake number 4, following the herd. It's like being at a concert and everyone starts doing the Macarena. You don't even like the Macarena, but everyone else is doing it, so you join in too. But investing isn't a dance party. Just because everyone else is buying a certain stock doesn't mean it's the right move for you. And finally, mistake number 5, ignoring fees. It's like going on a shopping spree, getting to the checkout and realizing you forgot to account for sales tax. Those little percentages can add up. And before you know it, you're paying a small fortune in fees. So don't be a sheep. Don't put all your eggs in one basket and always read the fine print. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 investing blunders that might be drilling a hole in your wallet. Let's do a quick funny run-through. First, we have the casino approach to stocks. Second, the romantic saga with your favorite company. Third, the classic eggs in one basket strategy. Fourth, the lemming leap of following the crowd. And last but not least, the ostrich tactic of ignoring pesky fees. So next time you're about to gamble on a stock, fall in love with a company, put all your eggs in one basket, follow the crowd, or ignore the fees, remember this video. And hey, maybe your investments will start multiplying like those rabbits in your backyard after all.